Hi friends, most of you are preparing for competitive exams like PSC, UPSC, SSC and so on. So in this video we will discuss about the repeatedly asked questions in chemistry. So this video we will include the topics like modern periodic table, history of periodic table, electronic configuration and a brief introduction to SPDF blocks. So now let us get into the questions.
The repetition of properties after regular intervals is called periodicity. The arrangement of elements as group of three is called triads. Who proposed the concept of arranging the elements as triads? Dobrenier. On what basis were the elements arranged in Dobrenier triad? Option A, atomic number. Option B, atomic mass. Option C, atomic volume. And option D, density. Answer, option B, atomic mass. How many triads did Dobrenier identify among the non-elements? Option A, 5. Option B, 3. Option C, 2. And option D, 1. Answer, option A, 5. Which set doesn't fit Dobrenier's law of triads? Option A, lithium, sodium, potassium. Option B, calcium, strontium, barium. Option C, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony. And option D, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Answer, option C. Who arranged elements in spiral manner to classify them? Option A, Dobrenier. B, Scottman. C, Shankotis. D, Binstov. Answer, option C. The law of octaves was proposed by Newlands. John Newlands arranged elements in the increasing order of option A, atomic number, option B, metallic property, option C, magnetic property and option D, atomic mass. Answer, option D. Law of octaves was applicable only up to which element? Option A, potassium, option B, calcium, option C, cobalt and option D, phosphorus. Answer, option B, calcium. How many elements did Lothermeyer classify? Option A, 56, option B, 55, C, 66 and D, 50. Answer, option A, 56. Who proposed periodic law? Dmitri Mendeleev. Who is the father of periodic table? Dmitri Mendeleev. What is the basis of classification in Mendeleev's periodic table? Options A, atomic number, B, volume, C, atomic mass and D, density. Answer, option C. When did Mendeleev formulate the periodic table? Options A, 1863, B, 1865, C, 1868 and D, 1869. Answer, option D, 1869. How many groups are there in Mendeleev's periodic table? 8 groups. How many periods are there in Mendeleev's periodic table? There are 7 periods. How many elements did Mendeleev classify? Options A, 57, B, 63, C, 72 and D, 60. Answer, option B, 63. Which of these elements is not given a correct position in Mendeleev's periodic table? Options A, oxygen, B, helium, C, hydrogen, D, carbon. Answer, option C, hydrogen. In Mendeleev's periodic table, the element below aluminium is known as Aka aluminium. Which element was known as Aka aluminium in Mendeleev's periodic table? Answer, gallium. In Mendeleev's periodic table, the element below silicon is called Aka silicon. Which element was known as Aka silicon in Mendeleev's periodic table? Answer, germanium. The atomic weights of which elements were corrected by Mendeleev during his classification? Answer, beryllium, indium, gold and platinum. Modern periodic table was discovered by Henry Moseley. How many elements are there in modern periodic table? 118 elements. How many natural elements are there in modern periodic table? 94 natural elements. How many artificial elements are there in periodic table? 24. Which is the 118th element? Organocene is the 118th element. How many groups are there in modern periodic table? Answer: 18 groups. What is the basis for modern classification of elements? Options: A. Atomic number, B. Atomic volume, C. Atomic mass and D. Oxidation state. Answer: Option A. Atomic number. The first man-made element. Options: A. Titanium, B. Plutonium, C. Technetium and D. Rutherfordium. Answer: Option C. Technetium. Where are the smallest atoms seen in the modern periodic table? Options: A. Bottom left, B. Bottom right, C. Right hand top and D. Top of the left. Answer: Option C. Right hand top. Where are the largest atoms seen at the periodic table? Options: A. Bottom right, B. Right hand top, C. Top left and D. Bottom left. Answer: Option D. Bottom left. How many elements are there in 6th period? Options: A. 2, B. 18, C. 72 and D. 32. Answer: Option D. 32. What would be the IUPAC name for element with atomic number 120? Options: A. Unbinillium, B. Unoctium, C. Unilinium, D. Unilunium. Answer: Option A. Unbinillium. Which of the following is the atomic number of an element that form basic oxide? Options: A. 18, B. 15, C. 17 and D. 19. Answer: Option D. 19. An element M is in group 13th of the modern periodic table. The formula for its oxide is: Options: A. MO, B. M2O3, C. M3O2 and D. None of the above. Answer: Option B. M2O3. Now let's discuss some questions related to electronic configuration and SPDF blocks of the periodic table. The electronic configuration of an element M is 284. In modern periodic table, the element M is placed. Options: A. 4th group, B. 2nd group, C. 14th group and D. 18th group. Answer: Option C. 14th group. Which element shows the outermost electronic configuration 6s2 6p6? Answer: radon. Which of the following elements has two shells and both are completely filled? Options: A. Helium, B. Boron, C. Calcium and D. Neon. Answer: Option D. Neon. The electronic configuration of an atom is 1s2 2s2 2p6. The number of electrons in the atoms are: Answer: 10 electrons. Elements of group 1 are called: Answer: alkali metals. Inert gases belong to which block of the periodic table? Answer: P block of the periodic table. D block elements are also known as transition metals. Transition elements form alloys easily because they have options: A. Same atomic number, B. Same electronic configuration, C. Nearly same atomic size and option D. None of the above. Answer: Option C. Solubility of the alkaline earth metal sulfates in water decreases in the sequences. Options: A. magnesium greater than calcium greater than strontium greater than barium. B. Calcium greater than strontium greater than barium greater than magnesium. C. Strontium greater than calcium greater than magnesium greater than barium. And D. Barium greater than magnesium greater than strontium greater than calcium. Answer option A. Hydrate gap is referred to which region of the periodic table? Options A. Groups 3, 4 and 5. B. Groups 5, 6 and 7. C. Groups 4, 5, 6. And D. Groups 7, 8 and 9. Answer option D. Property of alkaline earth metals that increases with their atomic number. Options A. Solubility of their hydroxide in water. B. Solubility of their sulfates in water. C. Ionization energy. And D. Electronegativity. Answer option A. Atomic number of second transition series lies from options A. 38 to 47, B. 39 to 48, C. 40 to 49 and D. 41 to 50. Answer option B. 39 to 48.
So friends, we have discussed about the periodic table, the modern periodic table, history of periodic table, electronic configuration and brief introduction to SPDF block. The rest of this portion will be uploaded in our next video. So thank you for watching. I hope this is really helpful for you. So please do share and support.